everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Razel Dazel. Just wanted to hop on here and show you guys these cute little fishies that I made with the Bernat yarn. I made a couple more of these fishies. I just thought they would be so cute. And they all have their own little personality and character. And this is the one I finished today. And they can like play peekaboo, you know, with their eyes. Yeah, I thought those would be cute. Something fun. So I was working on those today. And I got 3 of them done. And they're just so cute, like something that you could just put on the chair to decorate for summertime. Maybe even put like a little bag of gummy worms in its mouth or something. Yeah. But I had a lot of fun making these guys. They're just adorable. For the summer. So I'm gonna put my little taggies on. Probably just stick them like down towards the bottom. But yeah, aren't they cute? Yeah. I just thought they'd be a lot of fun. I'm gonna do some flower gardening out in the yard today. Decided to have some meatballs and rice for lunch. So, that's kind of something I got going on today, as well as, I want to try and make a flower pillow with the Bernat yarn. So I'm in the process of making a pillow too. So maybe we'll do that later on. We'll see what I come up with. I got the whole week off. So I'm going to be doing a lot of spring cleaning and hopefully some much needed outdoor work that needs done. I did get 1 apple tree. The other one was sold out, so they had to cancel my order for the Honeycrisp tree, but I got the Arkansas black apple tree, and we planted that yesterday. So he's out there happy as can be. But I need to get another apple tree, so I tried to order the Granny Smith. So we'll see if I get a Granny Smith apple out out there. If not, I might have to try somewhere else to see if I can get another apple tree. But Granny Smith are good too. I like Granny Smith. Granny Smith apples. But it'll take a couple of years. They said 2 to 3 years before I even start getting apples. So it's still gonna be a little while. But I was like, I'm gonna get a head start and get some stuff planted. Maybe I'll do some tomato plants. I'm thinking about planting the tomato plants out in the flower bed with the flowers. Because they say it's good for, like, the bees will go around and they'll help pollinate your vegetables if you have flowers around your vegetables. The little busy bees will go around and help pollinate. So we'll see what happens outside. It's beautiful out there right now. The sun is shining and Mr. Kitty wants to go outside a lot. He thinks every time I go outside that he has to go outside. And he usually does. But when Mommy needs to work out in the garden, he has to stay inside and then he gets mad. So yeah, lots of sprucing's up to do, spring cleaning. That's what I'm calling this week. This week's gonna be spring cleaning mode. Get everything put together and I ordered a greenhouse. So we'll see how that turns out. I don't know. I have to put it together. And I'm thinking, well, I should probably build a deck to put it on. I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I'm like, yeah, I probably should have some type of flooring down so I can anchor it to the ground better. That way I know it's going to be secure and it doesn't blow away in the wind. So I'm not sure. I could either use cement tiles, or if I'm just gonna build like a wooden deck. I definitely need to do some type of flooring. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be like 9 by 14 feet. So it's gonna be a pretty good size. I don't think I like the way that tag looks on there. I'm gonna switch it up. A lot of my neighbors are out there doing their yard work. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put this on long ways because I didn't like the way that looked like that. I want my tag to be on the bottom so you don't have to see it. But I put these tags on because I'm pretty proud of myself making these little critters. They take me a while. It takes a lot of work, and I'm just proud of it. So I'm putting my little taggies on there because they're just cute. His eyes are a little wonky, but that's okay. Yeah. Just super cute. But anyways, I guess I'll let you guys go and I'll catch you guys later. All right. Bye.